Alright, so I'm going to start introduction of the GT6 because this was the first car, this whole project I've been getting into. Got it about a year and a half ago. It had been sitting forever. It's had a really rough life. I started stripping the paint off it recently, and there's like 7 layers of paint. This last coat is brushed on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So, yeah. A lot of Bondo, a lot of rust. You know, these sills are like filled in with Bondo, but there's just nothing but rust underneath them. This back panel it got in a bad wreck. You know, there's about at least a 1/4 inch of Bondo there. There was a big chunk that was 1/2 inch thick that popped off there. There was a wreck in the back. You know, there's just holes everywhere. Floor pans are rusted out. They're going to need to be replaced. But right now I'm working on stripping it down. And just picking at the metal work here and there. It's been a few different colors. I got an extra engine. Got a brewery over there. But yeah, I got a few parts for the Spitfire in here as well too. So here's the car. Not much has happened to it since I got it other than stripping it all the way down. I think I mentioned in the other video I got it for mostly the rolling chassis, and then just ended up loving the car so much that I found a second rolling chassis for it. So it's a complete car. My goals with it is to turn it into an electric vehicle. So first things first, repairing all the rust, get the metal work all good, then take the body off, going to work on the chassis, get all that running gear and everything good, and then I'll work on the EV part, in the far distant future. But all the important stuff before that is going to go first. So here's the Mark II. Alright, so we're gonna have fun digging in, and I'll just bring you along for the ride and share with you all the good stuff that happens with it.